at Chokidhani. Hi everyone, welcome to Fab at 40. I'm Divya. So as you must have seen in the thumbnail that we are going to Chokidhani today. For those of you who do not know what Chokidhani is, I'll let you know about the place in a bit. But let me tell you why we are going there. Today is 19th of October. I'm shooting this video on the 19th of October. And it is our, yani meri aur mere husband Atul ki 8th wedding anniversary hai. So we are going to Chokidhani to celebrate. Basically to celebrate the end of 7-year age in our married life, and I decided to vlog. But before we start the vlog, I want you all to meet Atul, my husband. I'll be introducing him on my channel for the first time. Arya se aap mil chuke hain. So let me introduce you to Atul. Let's go meet the husband. And Arid ko to sabhi jante hain. Say hello.
Hello.
Where are we going?
So we are going to Chokidhani today. It's an anniversary.
I've just come back from office and thoda tired hu, and I'm quickly gonna get ready. So let me quickly show you what is it that I'm gonna be wearing today. This is the suit. I bought it from Ayuda. I showed it to you in my recent recommendation video as well. I'll leave the link of the video in the description box below in case you want to check out. There are a lot of other recommendations in that video for the festive season, and it's a cotton suit set. These are the pants and this is the kurta, and it is such a lovely khila hua print. I really love it, and it has gota detailing. And I'm wearing this long oxidized silver metal neck piece with it, and the bangles to go with it, and I'm gonna be wearing simple hoop earrings. And this is the purse, metal purse that I'm gonna be carrying. And so yeah, this is my outfit, and these are my jutis. So yeah, this is the final look, and this is Arun.
Subscribe to my channel and help me grow.
And this just reminds me that I have to go for a haircut because अब बाल थोड़े लंबे हो गए हैं, थोड़ा unruly से लग रहे हैं. But so yeah, we are ready and we are raring to go. Let's go.
सामने तो है।
कौन सी कार है और की?
Maruti 800.
Is this Maruti 800? So about the place Chokidhani. Chokidhani is an ethnic village resort. It's a luxury resort in Jaipur, and it's a beautiful place to be at this time of the year. Chokidhani basically depicts the lifestyle, the art, the culture, the heritage of Rajasthan. Chokidhani, literally, if you translate the word Choki and Dhani, Choki means nice and Dhani means a cluster of huts or a settlement or a hamlet. So basically it's a nice settlement. We are at Chokidhani.
घूमर रमवा में जासा ओ बैसा घूमर रमवा में जासा ओ माने रमता ने लाडू पेड़ा भावे मारी माँ ओ माने रमता ने लाडू पेड़ा भावे मारी माँ घूमर रमवा में जासा ओ बैसा घूमर रमवा में जासा ओ राजा जी घूमर रमवा में जासा।
So we are in Chokhi Dhani and as you could see it's such a beautiful place. अभी lights जलनी शुरू हो गई हैं and in twilight it looks even more beautiful and exotic. In case you are coming to Jaipur and you do not wish to stay in the city area and you wish to experience village life in style, then Chokhi Dhani has luxury huts to offer as accommodation. So you can come here and you can stay here and experience the exotic village life of Rajasthan along with a lot of recreational activities that happen here, and of course not to forget the food, the authentic Rajasthani food, the cuisine that is to die for. I'm not gonna stay here so I cannot show you how their huts look like, but I'm definitely gonna take you through all the experiences that we're gonna have today here. Please do not mind the audio because I'm not carrying a separate mic. I am only using my phone's camera mic to record the audio. भुट्टा खानी आरू भुट्टा जलजीरा पानी आराम से बैठो पकड़ के होल्ड दिस तो खाली है आरू आरू you want to sit on the camel ride?
Yeah.
कितना?
10 रुपए का सर।
एक दे दो इसको।
1 मिनट बस बनेगा अभी। फ्रेश बना दो, बिल्कुल फ्रेश है सर, ये अभी निकला ही है।
खाओ उसको। देखा?
आरू खाएगा चना जोर गरम?
नहीं।
Yes. कितना है? 20 रुपए।
मम्मी के हाथ
And this is one of the most beautiful part. It is a Kalagram where you can shop. And who doesn't love shopping? Aru elephant. Aru, are you having fun? So this is the dining area and this is where we're going to eat our dinner. Dinner time, so we are now going to have authentic Rajasthani cuisine. Let's see what all do they have in their menu list today. I'm quite excited. I'm salivating actually because it's been a while since I had authentic Rajasthani food. So let's go and see what all do they have.
Then we will go home.
We're eating food now.
Waiting food now. And then we will eat food.
And then we'll go home. But what do you want to eat, Aru? What do you want to eat?
Rice.
And
Dal.
you want to eat dal and rice?
Huh?
Dal and rice only?
Yes.
You want to have puri?
साथ में पूरी भी खाऊंगा मैं.
And you want to have dal bati? They
सब.
may have dal bati. The way Nani makes? The way Nani makes.
The way
Dal
I-
bati, they have dal bati.
I will eat dal bati.
So what all do we have? We have the famous aloo pyaz ki sabzi, we have the famous gatta, we have chaat, we have bati, we have churma, some rice and bajre ki roti. Awesome!
तूने खा के देखो. अच्छा
Bon
लगा?
appetit!
अच्छा लगा तो.
Very tasty, Aru. Very nice.
मारी बनी रे मारी लाडी रे मारी बनी रे चुड़लो ले बना दे गजरा.
So now we are on our way back home. We had a lovely time, isn't it? I'll see you in my next vlog. Till then, take care. Bye.